Welcome back to Northeast Ohio Veggie Garden. Today we're going to do a quick July tour, and I have a few questions for you as well. So as we're walking up to our garden, just walking in through the gate and looking at all of our Hungarian peppers, they're growing really great. Hopefully we're going to have some paprika here in the fall. Going around looking at our second planting of bush beans and a potato trial that I'm trying to do. Also have more bush beans growing. And we're going to start looking at our tomatoes, then onto our cabbage and cucumbers. What I'd like to ask all of you viewers is, are you enjoying what you're seeing on this channel? What would you like us to focus on? What questions do you have? What would you like us to attempt to grow? We're doing this to help educate everyone on how to do container gardening, and we would love your feedback. So any help would be much appreciated. Please comment below with your questions and we'll do our best to answer them and get everything taken care of so we can grow this channel and make content that you enjoy. Cucumbers and pickling cucumbers are going crazy. The only downside with putting them in containers is we have to water them almost twice a day. When it's super hot, they look a little stressed and start to wilt. San Marzano tomatoes are growing really well. The one plant there is about 7 feet tall and has about 30 tomatoes on it, so looking forward to pasta sauce in the fall. Going in and checking in on our pumpkins, we have 2 sugar pumpkins growing, which is less than what we were hoping for, but for our small family, if they keep going, that'll be enough to make a good pumpkin pie around Thanksgiving time. The biggest one is starting to turn the telltale orange, and we just hope it keeps growing in size. The second one's going really well. Please like and subscribe, and thank you again for joining us.